In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add a role when someone joins your server. First, what you need to do is select the server you want to add this feature and click on the name and go to server settings. In here, go to roles and you need to create a new role which will be added to automatically when someone joins. So create new role, put a name, whatever you want, and select the color if you want, or you can select the image as well. Then after that, go to permission and select the permissions you need that role to be. So after that, click Save Changes. In order to add this role to new users, we need a Carl-bot. So go to this website which is called carl.gg. I'll put this link in the description below. In here, click Login with this code. Then you need to log into your Discord here and scroll down and select Authorize. Now you have to select the server you want this Carl-bot add to. So after that, scroll down and click Continue. And make sure all these are checked. All the permissions are checked and click Authorize. And click I am here one. Once you've done that, as you can see, notification pop up. The Carl-bot has been added to my server. The right hand side, you can see the Carl-bot is there. Now click on the name of the server and go to server settings. Click on roles and you have to put this Carl-bot role in top of every role you have. Then click Save Changes. Now go to Edit and in permission, you need to have this Manage Role checked Enable. It should enable by default, but make sure it's enabled. Once you've done that, go to the carl.gg and you can see there's a one called Auto Roles. In here, you can select the auto role which you have selected. Once you've done, click Save. Then whenever a new user joins your channel, that role will be automatically assigned to that user. That's how you automatically add roles when new user joins your server. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And see you next time. Bye bye.